obviously, you know, when you're running Windows, it's a closed source operating system. It is, at the end of the day, not the best option, but I think if you need Windows for like gaming, or if you need it for like specific applications, then I think it's worth at least keeping it around in case you need a dual boot. But I would try and separate your activity more into like Linux, and then specifically if you do like gaming and stuff, you should just keep that specifically on Windows, and basically every other task you can just do that on Linux. And that's going to significantly reduce the amount of data that you're sharing with Microsoft. But also another thing to remember is a lot of times I've seen people getting their Linux installations basically bricked because they've had both operating systems on the same storage device. So I would highly recommend just separating them. So have one hard drive or SSD for Windows, one hard drive or SSD for Linux, because it is possible that Microsoft can basically see the grub bootloader and think that it's basically broken the Windows bootloader, and it can basically override it. So that can basically brick your Linux installation, and then you'll have to re-add it, which can be a bit of a pain. And I know some people like may not be technical enough to recover from that sort of thing. So it's definitely important to consider that as well.